Today I'm sharing how you can promote your small business with this cute sublimation acrylic LED sign. Let's get started. Okay, so these signs are from PYD Live. They're sublimation acrylic photo frames with LED. They measure 6 by 8 inches and they come in a 4-pack. One thing I really like about PYD Live's products is they usually come with a little pamphlet that has your print template, the size that you need to make your template in Canva or whatever software you're using. Also, they include your time and temperature, which is very helpful. So you want to make sure you hold on to these things, and they also include them on the box as well usually. And here's the time and temperature. So at least you'll have that in case you need to look that up. And their website also has that information. So these come with wooden stands and a USB plug. So we'll just move these aside while we look at the actual sublimation blank. Like I mentioned, there's 4. They're acrylic, so we're going to go ahead and take one of these and remove the cover. The acrylic usually has a film on both the front and the back, so we want to make sure we carefully remove that. Okay, you will see on the acrylic there is going to be more of a clear side, and then there's also a white side. And the white side is the side that we will be sublimating. The next step is to create your design, and I'm going to walk you through going into Canva. First, I went into Creative Fabrica and I searched for a small business sign template. I downloaded it and then I followed the link into Canva, and so it's a printable or editable Canva template. I went ahead and personalized it. I changed the title there, put my name. I also updated the QR codes. You can do that easily in Canva. I added my logo and I also rearranged the social handles here on my printout. So once I had that all ready to go, I went ahead and downloaded it as a PDF, and I also printed it on my Epson F170 on sublimation paper. With acrylic, you want to make sure when you're sublimating it, you do not mirror your image. You're going to go ahead and leave it regular, non-mirrored. And we're going to put the white side down. And the template allows for a bleed, so you want to make sure that you center it on there and that you don't have any white space. You will need your heat-resistant tape, and we'll use that to go ahead and make sure we secure it to the page. And then we're going to go over to the heat press. We're going to be using an auto heat press at 356 degrees Fahrenheit and 120 seconds. You're going to want to make sure you have your butcher paper in place. We're going to be putting this upside down so the print is facing upwards. And then we're going to go ahead and put another piece of butcher paper on top. You're going to want to make sure you have your heat gloves because the acrylic does get hot. And once it's done, I'm actually going to put it in a heat press that is not turned on. That way we can apply some pressure so it doesn't warp. Now we're just going to put it in this heat press they do not have turned on because we want to make sure that it is as flat as possible. Acrylic will warp if you don't put some pressure on it. If you don't have a heat press that you can spare that's not turned on, a manual one like this, then you can always put it under something heavy like some books or some kind of weights that aren't going to put any indentations in it, just something flat, and put some pressure on that. Once it has cooled, I put it in there for about a minute or so. You can see that it's nice and flat, and we can go ahead and put it on the stand. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, there is a USB port for the light, and you can always plug this in when you're at market, maybe on your laptop, or if you have another little charger you can connect it to. All you have to do is plug that in, and then we put the sign right here. Look how cute that is. Let's turn this on. All you have to do is push the button and it lights up. Now you have a great professional sign that you can put on your table at market or at your business place, where you can have customers scan your website, also follow you on social media, or whatever else you'd like to put on there. You can also make a scan to pay sign, which is very helpful when you're at market, and you can use it for a variety of different things for your branding and your business promotion. I hope you like this project. Make sure you follow along and subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.